What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. So it's been a while since I've done any reconstructions from pop culture, but I was compelled to make this cocktail actually from a comment that I got a while ago. So a long time ago, probably about a year ago, we had our good friend Shauna Race on here, and she did a cocktail inspired by It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia called a rum ham. And somebody commented, it was too long ago for me to remember, and I couldn't find the comment when I went back to look, that we should do a Riot Juice and a Fight Milk. And so I put my heads together with Shauna, and we actually created a Riot Juice and a Fight Milk. And then I just never really got around to shooting the cocktail tutorial, so I am going to shoot it today. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, let's take a look at a clip. World Series, baby! Oh yeah! Hey-o! What's up, fellas?
No, what's going on, man? Not wearing any collars? Not supporting the team,
Wearing any colors? Why would I be wearing any colors? Oh, wait! Today's the World Series. I totally forgot.
Oh, wait a second. What's this?
Boom! I didn't forget a thing! Guys, this is one of the few times where it is acceptable to be shirtless in a public forum, so I'm blasting bare chest the whole time. What do you think?
Yeah, I think you're gonna be cold as shit.
I'm not gonna be cold at all, because I'm gonna be wasted on grain alcohol. Grain alcohol, baby. Whenever there's a potential riot, I'm getting blasted on grain alcohol.
Riot Juice!
Yeah, rum punch!
Put some of that on my bug bite.
We're gonna be wasting our fine grain alcohol on your bug bites, idiots.
Yeah,
we need it for pre-gaming. I am not watching this game sober. All right, cool. Now that you've seen that clip, and let's get into the cocktail. So here's the thing. I wanted to make this strong, and I wanted to make it within the realm and in the spirit of the drink that you saw on the show, without it being terrible. Like, I wanted it to be palatable and good. So let's see how well I did. First thing we're gonna do is 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, followed up by 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of blue curacao. We're using Giffard blue curacao. And now for the big guns. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Everclear. This Everclear is 126, I believe. Yep, no, 120, all right? So Everclear 120. I love that it says extract, infuse, and fortify. Like, that's the only thing we're gonna be using this for. We're gonna be fortifying ourselves with this. 1 ounce of Everclear. Pure grain alcohol. And then 1/2 ounce of Wray and Nephew. We're just gonna add a little bit of that like Jamaican rum flavor, also super high proof. 1/2 ounce of that. And then we're gonna do a crushed ice cocktail, and I wanted to get like one of those like mini jugs, like those mini plastic like milk jugs that I used to see when I was a kid, but I couldn't find one, so I found this old school kind of milk jug, and I thought that was a good, like, at least within the spirit of what we saw in the original. So we're just gonna add a little bit of crushed ice, and we're gonna just give it a little whip shake. Just get that dilution going, get that chill going. All right, here we go. And then we're just gonna pour that into our vessel. It's nice and blue. And then we're just gonna top it up with a little crushed ice. And I wanted this to sort of like be very much like the, in the spirit of the original. So, as we saw, like, the original vessel was only like half full of grain alcohol because it was so strong they would all kill themselves as they drank it all themselves, so they needed just a little bit. And that's what we're doing here. And then we're just gonna do a little lemon peel. Just get the spritz on there, but I'm gonna discard it. And there you have it. Oh man, I wanted this black straw, but I kind of overestimated the height of this, so I'm gonna have to get like a taller straw. Or should we just drink from the bottle? Ooh. That is tasty, but it's strong. Now I'm gonna get like a... Whoa! Whoa! Man, that is strong. Oh my gosh, all right. That's super strong. I mean, it's actually not that big of a burn. It's really nicely balanced. You got like that Jamaican hogo flavor from the Wray and Nephew. It's a little bit of that orange curacao with the blue. The blue curacao is actually orange curacao with blue coloring in it. So you get that like orangey flavor. Now the lemon provides a good amount of acid, and then you've got your just a tad more sugar with the simple syrup, just kind of balance things out. I made a mess of my set with all that crushed ice because like I basically took the like pebble ice and I pounded it with a hammer to make it more like a shaved ice. This is what I wanted for this, kind of like a slushy. So there you have it, my friends. The Riot Juice from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see more cool, awesome stuff, go to Patreon and sub our Patreon, patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. We'll see you guys next time, and we'll do some more awesome cocktails.